Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm having another nail show, but this is most satisfying nail application and I absolutely love this nail polish, so I'm sharing it with you as usual. And if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Mima, and here on I'm a Girl You Don't Know we do lots of videos and I do nail shows where I just paint my nails and I talk with you guys, even though I talk with you in every video. But nail show is a special place where we can talk about anything and paint our nails. It's just like we are two friends painting our nails, hanging out, and chatting. And so many of you find it relaxing and you find it fun and nice to watch. And I'm so happy about it because I feel the same way. But I do have so many videos on tips and tricks on how to grow your nails, how to have different manicures, how to grow your nails in 7 days and see the results like real deal, everything like that. So I really hope you guys will enjoy this as well. I will have in description box the name of nail polish that I'm using. It's my favorite nude color right now. I recently bought it and I was like, I have to share it with my people on YouTube, which is you guys, my YouTube family, and I'm so lucky to have you here. So leave me a comment because I want to hear your feedback. I want to hear your thoughts and everything like that. And if you're enjoying this application and you find it relaxing and very nice, please give it a thumbs up because it means a lot to me. And if you're new, by any chance, subscribe and maybe share with some of your friends who are also into nail art and nails and just really fun videos that are like good and just all about positivity, because I want to really focus on that and just really be good, and I want to make the next year amazing, and I want to encourage you all to as well make yourself feel amazing. I find it so fun that I can actually paint my nails and talk about anything with you, and that you guys like it as well, which is amazing. I really enjoy painting my nails. I love doing my nails. It's something that always relaxed me and still does, which is why I'm doing the videos, and I cannot wait to bring more content to you. And I really hope you liked this nail application. As you can see, my nails are 100% natural nails, and I can do video on how to make your nails look fake or like gel nails only by using nail polish, which is something that I have been doing for years, and I feel that most of us maybe already know those tricks, so I'm kind of debating should I do it or not. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this nail show, which is most satisfying nail application. I have lots of videos on my channel, so check them out and never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye.